guys, this is Rick, and my Bugatti's about to face Hurricane Dorian. Yeah, Hurricane Dorian is approaching, and my Bugatti is sitting outside. I don't have a garage, so we're hoping that she stays intact. Nothing happens, no damage to her. But if she does, well, I have this video for vivid memories of my Bugatti. Show you guys the interior of this thing, and hopefully winds are picking up here. It is September 3rd, 2019. Check this baby out. So fly. Got the amp system set up in the back there. Yeah, buddy. Alright. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully the Bugatti stays intact and this tree doesn't fall on top of it.